morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Please sit down. How was the assignment?
Very well, ma'am.
Did you enjoy the activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nana.
Ma'am, I felt it difficult at first, but I learned a lot from it.
Well done, Nana. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ritik, do you remember the value for this month?
Yes, ma'am. It is honesty.
Well done, Ritik.
Thank you, ma'am.
Something important has been brought to my notice that a JS notebook has been stolen. Does anybody have an idea about that?
Ma'am,
Yes, Jimmy.
I have something important to tell you, but it is very difficult for me to say it to you. I think I saw Krishna holding the book in the short break.
Well done, Jimit. I know Krishna is your good friend. And thank you for this information. See, children, he showed the value of the month. He was honest.
Yes, ma'am, he did. Thank you, everybody.
My name is Advait and I would like to share some thoughts about honesty and responsibility. One of the things that makes NPS HRD truly special is their commitment to nurturing values alongside academic excellence. Our school believes that knowledge has its greatest impact when it is guided by strong character. Every month, we are encouraged to focus on a value that helps us become better individuals. Our school helped us understand that honesty is the foundation of trust. It encourages us to speak the truth, act with integrity, and remain sincere even when no one is watching. Honesty and responsibility are inseparable because when we are responsible, we are willing to be truthful about our actions and learn from our experiences. The guidance of our teachers and the value-based environment at NPS Hosur Road have played a significant role in shaping these qualities within us. Through classroom discussions, school activities, assemblies, and everyday interactions, we're constantly reminded that values aren't just words to remember, but they're habits to practice every single day. As students of NPS Hosur Road, we're proud to be part of a school that helps us build a strong moral foundation. These values will help us not only during our school years, but throughout our lives, helping us become responsible, honest, and ethical citizens of tomorrow.
My name is Shan and I study in grade 8. At NPS HRD, we like to believe that education isn't just about scoring good marks, but also about becoming good human beings. Our school lays great emphasis on values which help us develop qualities to prepare us for life beyond the classroom. In the month of June, the value is responsibility. Throughout the month, we learned that being responsible means being accountable for our actions, completing our work sincerely, respecting our commitments, and taking care of ourselves and others around us, whether it be submitting our assignments in time, cleaning our surroundings, or helping our classmates. We understood that responsibility starts with these small choices we make in our life. Similarly, building on this strong foundation, the value of the month in July was honesty. Honesty isn't just about telling the truth. It is about living truthfully every single day of our lives. It is easy to be honest when there are others watching, but real honesty is doing the right thing even when no one knows what we have done. There are many ways we can practice honesty in our everyday lives, such as telling others the truth and admitting our mistakes. It helps build strong character and turns us into reliable and responsible people. As students of NPS HRD, we are proud to carry these values with us and strive to become responsible, reliable, and compassionate citizens of tomorrow, bringing a positive difference wherever we go. Thank you.